Catch the frisbee!
And the ball's going right there!
Nothing for you!
And so then you take the orange and you put it on the juicer and you just really squeeze out the juice.
Oh! Yes! Oh!
What side do I know you?
Okay, so I didn't mean for this to happen. There were just matches and that trash can and...
Vegas?
Yeah. That's disgusting!
No, really, I'm past the drugs and promiscuity phase. It's all good now.
We just thought I should let you know we're moving into March.
Who let the dogs out?
Things you find on your Q-tip after it's been in your ear.
Oh, look at the penny getting here.
That's not cheating. I found the Holy Grail!
There's Waldo!
Ways to get a boyfriend/girlfriend at Bible college.
Okay, now remember, you hit her in the head with the glove and then I'll tie her up and
You know, if we get married, we can go back to my place and do some dancing.
That's me! Dominated!
Kids, this is not, this is crap.
The wrong way to ask someone to formal.
Oh.
So, do you want to go to formal with me? Oh, yeah? You do? Well, I'm going with her. Just so you know.
Everybody else said no. Will you go with me?
Alright, so now you hit her in the head with the club.
So, it's gonna be the zoo, and there are all these animals anyway, so I figure I may as well go.
You're stuck in an elevator. Go.
Wow.
What are we going to do now? Okay, we're obviously stuck in between the second and third floor. Here, help me try to open this. No, this way.
Dude,
What's that noise? Okay, good, it's stopped. Okay, never mind.
let's just try to force it down. Let's just jump. Okay, we have to do it in the same.
Oh, okay.
Just like the band. Get 1, 2, 3.
Wait, what's that noise?
Cat? No.
No, it's an alarm. How do you shut this thing off? Huh? Watch it.
Can I hit it now?
No, it's good, we're good. Okay. I think our best option right now. Excuse yourself. Our best option is to pray. Yeah. Okay, let's.